Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews.
Today, we've got an exciting accessory for all you Oculus Quest 3 enthusiasts out there. The VR Shell Front Face Protector Cover with Camera Lens Protector. It promises to offer protection and functionality, so let's dive right in.
Let's start by taking a look at what you get with this package. This product includes a front face protector cover and camera lens protector designed specifically for the Oculus Quest 3. One of the key highlights is the high-quality material used for this protector. It's made from soft premium silicone, which not only ensures a snug fit but also provides excellent protection for your Oculus Quest 3. The VR Shell Front Face Protector Cover aims to protect your Quest 3 from various threats. It's advertised as anti-scratch, anti-dust, and anti-shock. So, whether you're storing your headset or enjoying an intense gaming session, this accessory has got you covered. The camera lens protector film is designed with sub-millimeter precision, ensuring it won't interfere with camera tracking while still providing that all-important lens protection. It's essential to maintain proper heat dispersion during extended gaming sessions. This protector features secure thermoplastics and ventilation in critical areas to prevent any overheating issues. Maintenance is a breeze with this product. It's both water and dishwasher friendly, making it easy to keep clean and ready for action. Now, it's important to note that this product is designed for use in the US. So, if you're ordering internationally, make sure to check for compatibility and potential adapter needs. The typical price for this VR Shell Front Face Protector Cover is $15.99. But you can grab it at a discounted price of $12.99, saving you $3 or 19% off. Before we conclude, let's briefly touch on what some customers are saying. While some users find it easy to apply and appreciate the lens protectors, others have mentioned that the cover can be a bit loose and may not stay securely in place. In conclusion, the VR Shell Front Face Protector Cover with Camera Lens Protector for Quest 3 seems like a valuable accessory for Oculus Quest 3 owners, providing essential protection and convenience. However, keep in mind the potential fit issue mentioned by some users. Overall, it's a product worth considering if you want to safeguard your VR headset. That's it for today's product critique review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest reviews. If you've tried this product yourself, share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next episode.